Good morning, everyone. I am Vinuri Udara Pannigala Gamage, and my metric number is E30409200023. So, here I am to talk about how I wrote my essay on section A, task 1. The topic of the essay is effects of social media on the young generation, and we'll see how it went. So here I am going to explain the way I planned my essay writing. I gathered so many informations from the sources to write my essay. I searched about impact of social media and I read some articles on the internet. For the body part of the essay, I add one of my experiences in teaching life. I found some researchers' research effect in using social media and how it affects on behavior and the mental health of children. Also, I found some websites that described about the impact of social media on younger generation. The main keywords that I used to find the information from the sources impact of social media. When I collect the data from the sources, I divide into two groups: what are the good effects and the bad effects, and how it went. So there are two groups, that means good effects and the bad effects. Good effects always give positive things and the bad effects give the negative things. I explained about what are the good effects and the bad effects. Also, I mentioned the details that I found from the sources and I add into my essay. First, I explained what is the meaning of social media and how it can be good and bad to our life. Then I explained about what are the social media platforms and how many children in the world addicted to use these platforms. Without social media, we can't communicate and we have to use it with the limitations. I explained about each and every detail within a paragraph. Facts that I entered to the body of the essay. Each paragraph of the essay I explained about effects of social media. But there are so many effects that teenagers suffer with using social media, such as social interaction, mental health, academic performances, cyberbullying, and privacy concerns. First, I explain about how social media affects communication, relationships, social skills among young people. Second, I explain the potential links between social usage and issues of anxiety, depression, and self-esteem. Academic performances. In this part, I explain about how social media distraction can affect on children's academic performances in a bad way. Cyberbullying. In this part, I explain about what is the meaning of cyberbullying and how it happens. Normally in the common society in these days, we can hear about cyberbullying. I explain what are the actions that younger generations can take to avoid from cybercrimes and the cyberbullying. Sad to hear, in these days, in the younger generation, easily choose death when it happens some cyber crimes. It's really sad here. Next one, I explain about privacy concerns. I discuss about the problems that young people face when they share their private things in the social media. Normally, we have to learn what are the things that we are going to share in the social media and what are the things we should not share in the social media. I explain what are the effects of that sharing the details, private details in the social media. The sources. These are the sources that helped me to write my essay. I have searched impact of social media and I found these websites from the internet. These are the sources that helped me to write my essay and complete my essay with the correct informations. Challenges that I face when I write in my essay. It is difficult to find accurate information through the internet. In these days, internet sharing so many fake information and it's really hard to find the correct information. It was a challenge for me to plan the PowerPoint slides. When I make the PowerPoint slides, I have faced so many difficulties and finally I did it. Another huge challenge was plan the essay according to the criteria. There's a criteria that we have to write on APA 7th edition and using the citations and write the essay. That is really hard to do, but I did it in a correct way. It was a new experience for me to present presentation while recording myself. So I thank to my lecturers to giving me this chance to do my presentation well. And as a university student, this is a new experience for me. And thank you. In the end of this presentation, I would like to thank those who helped me to write this essay. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Gamage Sundaran, our dear lecturer, who helped us to write this essay successfully. Because without her guidance and the support, we can't do this task successfully. And thank you for giving me this chance for the university. Thank you for giving this chance to write this essay, and this is a new experience for us. Thank you.